Hey, what's up? This is Kehis for After Effects tutorial channel. Today I want to show you how to make a sci-fi video VFX scene in Adobe After Effects. Create a new project, create a new composition from footage. First, you must have the video like this, action. From this point, you must create shield of motion graphics from this point. So here is, I have shield VFX and select mode, go to select add, play, look, start from here, little bit up at this point, play now, press Alt break, looking good. So right here, HUE saturation, double click, turn on the colorize, set the colorize saturation 100, select the color, play again, good. And now time to create fire attack. The second package you must have the superheroes pack. Here is a lot of elements for your sci-fi video footage film. Flamethrower shield. The next, here is the next. Let's check the fireball attack. Double click, good. Drag and drop to project of After Effects and drop to new composition, and right click, transform, flip horizontal, scale down, looking good. Let's increase the time of composition, maybe 1 second. Press OK, select the video, so Ctrl D duplicate, and right click, time, freeze frame, play now. Okay, good. Select the fireball and mask. Mask from this point, start. Press M, turn on the inverted, and press M, need little bit feather, play again, go to composition, trim come to work area. Let's check it out. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about to create the sci-fi shield VFX in Adobe After Effects. Don't forget, like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.